Thank you. Today I'm going to share an exciting project with you. So we have here an assistant medical robot called Medibot. So this is actually an IoT based drug delivery robot. And then the purpose of the robot is to assist doctors or medical professionals to deliver drugs to patients. Let me cite a typical example. For instance, during COVID-19, the number of hours health professionals were spending with patients actually increased. And then some of them are only to deliver drugs to, patients. So in terms of pandemic like COVID-19, this robot can assist in delivering drugs to patients. So let me get you through. So at this side, we have the gate here. So this gate will help us to close and then open the Medibot gate. Since our drug is going to be kept inside to prevent any disease and also to keep the drug at room temperature, that is why we have designed the robot that way. So, for instance, if the robot gets to the patient, it will deliver the drug to the patient. By then, the patient needs to sanitize its hand. So you can see that the sanitizer alert is here. So once the patient sanitize the hand, you'll be able to have a notification that the patient just sanitized the hand so that we can open the drug for the patient. So let me try it for you to see. So as I break my hand here, I get the sanitizer. And then you can see from the dashboard that the sanitizer part was on, indicating that the patient just sanitized the hand. And also, a notification will be sent to the system, an email notification and also a mobile phone notification. After that, we are going to open the medicine robot gate. So once I bring my, I can just open it for us to see. As you can see, it opens smoothly. And then I pick my drag since I have sanitized my hand. And then after that, I take the drag and then the gate will close smoothly to prevent any disease. So at this side, we have a DHT11 sensor that checks the temperature and the humidity of where the medicine is kept. So we are checking the temperature of this apartment. And also for visibility sake, we have a light here. We can just turn a light on so that the patient will be able to see the medicine well. So I can also turn it off from the IoT dashboard. Then I can also close the door from here, from the IoT dashboard. So this checks the humidity and the temperature of the storage or where the medicine is kept. And then also we are checking the temperature of the room as you can see. So wherever the robot enters, we are able to check the temperature. And then we are also checking the quality of air in air quality index and also in parts of gas per million. As you can see, so we are checking the quality of air. So when the air quality is above a threshold, an indication or an alert will be indicated on the IoT dashboard. So harmful air detected, and then a message will be sent to to the email which is connected to this particular dashboard or this account. And then also we also have um, application notification, IoT app notification on our mobile phone indicating that there was a harmful gas which was the air detected. And then also, since this robot will be in the hospital, We are also checking the amount of noise pollution. As you can see, we have a sound sensor here, which is checking the amount of noise in the room. Not necessarily when people are talking, but then too much noise, we will have an alert. And then also, if there is an outbreak of fire, I'm going to test that for you to see. This system will be able to detect it. So we have a flame sensor here, just beneath the gas sensor or the MQ7 sensor. We have the flame sensor that checks that if there is an outbreak of fire or something like that, and then you will be able to know. So as you can see, as I just bring the so you can see that from the dashboard, we are able to detect it, that there was a flame which was detected. A notification will also be sent to you when there is a flame detected. And here, the best part of this robot is also it's able to disinfect the ground. So as it moves through the hospital, wherever room that it enters, it will be able to also disinfect the ground. So let me turn the disinfection light on. It's a special UV light which will be able to kill germs. So as you can see, I have turned the disinfection light on. So as it walks around the environment, it is able to also disinfect the ground. So that is that for today. So this project aim at improving healthcare service. We are also going to make sure that this prototype will be moved to developmental stage. We call for anyone who wish to collaborate with us as we move on. And then let me share the interesting part of this project too with you. You see, data logging is very, very essential when it comes to medical stars. So this robot is able to also log data such as the humidity, temperature, and also the amount or the quality of air, and also when any fire or something like that was detected. This can also help us to improve on our future endeavors. So the project is really, really, nice, as you can see.